An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun by limiting its meaning. What does that mean? Let's say we have a sentence like this one. The ball rolled across the street. In this sentence, we know that ball is a noun, the subject of the sentence. We know that rolled is the verb. It's what the ball did. But let's say we're in gym class and there's a big basket filled with balls, all different colors and types. How do we know which ball rolled across the street? We need an adjective to limit the meaning of the word ball. Currently, ball could mean any one of the balls in the basket. Let's look at a clearer example. The red ball rolled across the street. Here the word red is an adjective that limits or describes the word ball. If you're having trouble telling if something is an adjective, remember this trick. Adjectives answer the following questions. Which one? What kind? How many? And how much? First, find the word you think is an adjective. Then find the word you think it modifies. Let's look at our example again. The red ball rolled across the street. I'm pretty sure, as I told you before, that red is a word that describes the word ball, but I want to be positive. I would ask myself this question. Which ball rolled across the street? The answer is the red ball rolled. I've just proven that red modifies or describes ball. Let's look at another example. I played Chinese checkers. I think Chinese is an adjective modifying checkers, but I'll put it to the test. What kind of checkers? Chinese ones. Chinese seems to be an adjective modifying checkers. But isn't Chinese a proper noun? Usually it would be a proper noun, but in this sentence it's functioning as an adjective. So we call it a proper adjective. Let's look at another example. Boris ate the pepperoni pizza. Boris is the subject of our sentence, and ate is our verb. We also know that pizza is a noun, and I'm pretty sure that pepperoni modifies pizza, but I'll put it to the test anyway. Which pizza? Pepperoni pizza. Clearly, pepperoni modifies pizza. Now let's add some more information. Boris ate the hot, delicious pepperoni pizza. What kind of pizza? Hot pizza. Clearly, hot modifies pizza. Delicious pizza. Clearly, delicious also modifies pizza. And as we know, pepperoni modifies pizza. In this example, we have what we call coordinate adjectives. Coordinate adjectives work equally to modify a noun. Here's a trick to tell if your adjectives are coordinate. Can you put the word and between them, or switch their order without changing the meaning of the sentence? If so, those adjectives are coordinate. Could we say, the delicious hot pepperoni pizza? Yes, it makes sense. Could we say the hot and delicious pepperoni pizza? Yes, that also makes sense. Could we say the pepperoni and hot delicious pizza? No, it doesn't make sense and frankly just sounds weird. Hot and delicious have to come before pepperoni in order for the sentence to make sense. So while hot and delicious are coordinate with each other, they are hierarchical with pepperoni, meaning that pepperoni has to come right before the word pizza. Make sure you separate coordinate adjectives with commas. Now I'm going to let you in on 3 little secrets. The words and the are all adjectives. They're called articles. That's just a fancy name for the 3 most common adjectives in our language. So in our previous example, we actually have 4 adjectives. The, hot, delicious, and pepperoni. Here's tip number 2. All possessive pronouns in form are pronouns, but in function are adjectives. My dog licked his paw. Let's use those questions. Which dog? My dog. Clearly, my modifies dog. Which paw? His paw. Clearly, his modifies paw. Here's your third trick. The possessive form of any noun functions as an adjective in a sentence. Dwight's team won the World Series. Again, let's use those questions. Which team? Dwight's team. Since Dwight is the answer to that question, we can see that it functions as an adjective in this sentence.